Haleluja, še ena oddaja, sprejmi 25, haleluja, jubilejna oddaja. Pogledaj si bomo krog, kako sprejeti obljubo, kje se začne in kako prijeti okoli do manifestacije te obljube. In hvala vsem, ki to gledate, mogoče zdaj le še share video naprej, ne še kdo drug gleda, da čim več ljudi dosežemo z evangelijem, za to gre. In vse, karkoli delamo, je samo zato, da vidite, da vas Bog ljubi, da razvijete oseben odnos z njim. In danes bomo začeli. Dan, Veronica, great to have you back. Are you having good time in Slovenija?
Sem imate fajn v Sloveniji.
Yeah? What's been your highlight of this
Kaj je
trip
bil
right now?
vrhunec fajnega izleta do sedaj?
10 days or so.
V zadnjih
Say all the
10
church
dnevih
services.
vse cerkve,
wow.
ki smo jih obiskali.
That's amazing, all this nice nature and you like to be stuck in a small church in Slovenia.
Uživate v
Wow,
majhnih
you're a real
cerkvah.
believer, man.
Pa res
You are
vernik.
like fanatical believers,
Res sem
man.
fanatičen vernik.
All, you know, Florida, everything's flat.
V
You come
Floridi
here,
je
it's
vse
like a
ravno,
Disneyland,
tukaj je
and then
kar
you tell me
Disneyland,
the
v
church
primerjavi z
is
Florido.
your highlight to in
Zdaj
Florida.
pravijo,
You
da je
have so
v
many
cerkvi
great
najboljše,
churches
ko
and
imaš
revivals.
v Floridi
My
ful enih
It's just
prebujenj,
that
cerkva,
when
vse
you're
živo.
when you're ministering to somebody,
Veš,
when
ko
someone is
služiš
actually
nekomu in
drawing
nekdo vleče
the anointing out of
maziljenje
you,
ven iz tebe,
it's like no other high.
ni
yeah,
drugega
now you're
občutka
talking, now
kot
you're
je ta.
Yeah.
Ja, zdaj te
No,
razumem.
talking, yeah. You like to see people's life
Rad
change.
vidiš, kako se življenja ljudem
when you
spreminjajo,
come.
Yeah,
ko prideš.
that's the biggest thing. That's why we're
Ja,
here. That's
to
what we
je
want to
najlepše,
do. We
to
do
želiva.
enjoy Slovenia a lot.
Uživamo v
The
Sloveniji,
nature and the sights
v
and
naravi,
seeing mountains.
vidva gore,
Is something that we do not see in Florida.
tega ni na Floridi.
But changing people's lives is so
Spreminjava
much more
življenje
rewarding.
ljudi.
And you
to
had the
je
chance to
najlepše.
pray for my uncle.
In imel si priložnost,
Yeah,
Remember,
moliti za
we prayed
mojega
for
You
his
pray
strica.
on Sunday, you pray for my uncle's back.
Ja, v nedeljo si lahko molil za njegov
And we will
križ.
need to do a follow-up meeting with him, you know
Se
that?
bomo spet mogli
Ja.
dobiti z njim.
You know, we'll have to do another meeting with him
Še enkrat se bomo
because
z njim
sometimes
dobili,
people
ker
receive a
včasih
little, then
ljudje
they need a
dobijo
little more and a little
en
more.
del,
So
pol dobijo
we're
naslednji del.
there for people.
Tako da
Whenever we
jim
go
služimo
to a
naprej.
church service, we're always
Kadarkoli
praying
greva
for
v cerkev,
somebody.
vedno molimo za
Especially
nekoga.
at the end of service, we invite people to
Še
come up who
posebej
want
na
prayer,
koncu
and there's always
srečanja.
people that want prayer,
In
and
ljudje
there's
vedno
nothing wrong
pridejo
with
po
that.
molitvo in to ni nič narobe.
People are asking God and they're seeking God
Ljudje
for the
iščejo
answers.
Boga, naj jim da
Every time I pray for
odgovor.
somebody,
Vedno, ko
like
molim
an
za
uncle,
nekoga, tako kot za
I
tvojega
want to see
strica,
immediate
jaz
results
bi rad
right
videl
now.
takoj rezultat.
Not just so that I can see the power of God.
Ne samo zato, da lahko
it's
vidim
because I
Božjo
care
moč,
about
ampak
that
zato, ker
individual.
skrbim za to
I
osebo.
want them to get the answer
Želim,
to
da
their
oni
prayer.
dobijo
They're asking
odgovor
for
na svojo
something. They're
molitev.
wanting something to happen
Ker
in their
nekaj
lives,
želijo,
and
da se
I
zgodi
wanna
v njihovih
see
življenjih
the
in
manifestation
hočejo
of
videti
that
manifestacijo
request. And I want to see
te
it right
želje,
now.
te
And I want to
prošnje.
help people do
And
To
it.
that's what
hočem
we'll
zdaj
talk
videti.
about.
In o tem bomo zdaj
That's what
govorili.
we're talking right now. Maybe people are watching this and
Mogoče
they
ljudje
didn't
to
see the
spremljajo in
manifestation of their promise.
Še niso
So I
videli
think you have the
manifestacijo na svoje obljube,
Well,
ampak
as I was studying
imamo
this and
odgovor.
as I've been teaching this and,
Ko sem to
and
preučeval
looking,
in
how
učil,
can I help people get
kako
the
naj
answer
pomagam
to
ljudem,
their
da
prayer?
dobijo odgovor na
And I
svoje
was asking
molitve.
God, what is it that
Sem
people need to
spraševal
know?
Boga,
And
kaj
the Lord
morajo
gave
ljudje
me an
vedeti. In
illustration.
Gospod mi je dal
It's
eno
not a
ilustracijo,
formula,
ni
but
to
it's an
formula, ampak je
illustration that
ilustracija,
explains
ki
how
razloži, kako
God works,
Bog deluje.
how the promises of God work.
kako Božje obljube
The
delujejo.
first thing you have to know
Prva stvar,
is
ki jo moraš
that
vedeti, je to,
everything that we receive
da vse, kar
from God
sprejmemo
is
od
because
Boga,
He
je
loves us.
zaradi tega, ker nas on ljubi.
There's not any reason that we have
Ni
to
razloga,
perform or do
da
something
bi
in
morali
order to
nekaj
receive
zdaj
His promises.
zaslužiti, da bi
His
dobili njegove
promises
obljube.
come to
Njegove
us
obljube
by
pridejo do nas
love.
po ljubezni.
He poured out His
On je
salvation for all
izlil
of us
svoje
through
odrešenje
Jesus
za
Christ.
vse od nas v Jezusu
That
Kristusu.
came as a gift.
To je
It's
prišlo
not
kot
something
dar,
that we earned. It was
ne
an
nekaj,
act of
kar
His
si
love.
lahko
Why did Jesus
zaslužimo.
die
To
for
je
us?
dejanje
Because He
njegove
loves us.
ljubezni. Kaj
And
mora
then
za nas,
when
ker
we
nas ljubi?
So
go
that's your first picture.
A to je tvoja
The
prva
graph
slika
that you
v
see
tem
is
grafu,
like
ki ga
love
vidimo.
poured.
Love pours out
Ljubezen
salvation.
izlije
Did you draw
odrešenje.
this yourself?
Pa si to
Yeah.
sam
I did. I
realiziral.
put this. I saw this on the
To sem
inside and
videl
began putting
znotraj
this
sebe
together.
in sem
You
dal
saw it on the
skupaj.
inside.
Yeah,
In
I
your
mean,
Znotraj
spirit.
si
you
videl
could
v svojem
envision
duhu.
it, and I could just see this
Imel sem vizijo tega,
circle or this picture, this
slike,
step
tega kroga, teh
on-
korakov.
It's just an illustration to
To je samo
explain, but I
ilustracija,
hope
ki
it
nam
gives people
razloži
insight
in upam, da
onto-
da vpogled
into
ljudem
where they might be
v to, kje se
in the
morda
path of
nahajajo
receiving
na
the
poti,
manifestation
da
of God.
sprejmejo manifestacijo
So,
Božje obljube.
The first thing is
Prva
you have
stvar
to-
je, da
you have
moraš
to know that
vedeti,
the manifestation is
da
going to come
manifestacija ne
when
bo
you're resting.
prišla, da bo
Jesus
prišla, ko
gave us
si v
everything
počitku.
necessary in
Jezus nam
order
je
to
dal
live
vse,
victorious
kar
lives.
rabimo, da
And
imamo
it came
zmagovalno
when he died
življenje.
on the cross.
In to je prišlo,
It was
ko je umrl na
2000 years
križu
ago
pred
or more.
2000 leti.
Everything is completely
Vse
finished.
je
And we don't
dovršeno.
have to do anything.
Nič
What we
nam ni
really need
treba
to do is
storiti,
just rest.
a moramo
Now, you're not
počivati.
talking about sleep.
Ampak zdaj ne govoriš
You're
o
not talking
spanju,
about taking a nap
ne
on the
govoriš o
couch.
tem, da na
Well, you
kavču
don't let
zaspiš.
him sleep
A ne
and rest,
pustiš mu,
Veronica.
da
But
malo
when we're talking
poležava.
about rest, we're talking
Govorimo
about
o
I don't think
počitku.
Slovenian husbands
Mislim,
would
da
be
slovenski
happy
možje ne bi
if you don't let them,
bili veseli, če jim
rest
ne
on
bi
the couch
dovolili,
with
da
remote
malo
control,
počivajo na kavču z
That's
daljincem v
not what
roki.
God's talking about. When
Ja,
we're talking
sam Bog
about
ne
the
govori o tem.
rest that
Govorimo
you
o
have when you're
počitku,
in faith.
ki ga imaš,
That
ko
means
si
that
v veri.
you're at ease.
Ko
You're calm.
počivaš in
You're
si miren
relaxed inside.
in
You're
sproščen
not
znotraj
striving
sebe,
and working and
ne da se
trying.
boriš in trudiš
You-
in
it's like
poizkušaš.
the lake that is
Kot
completely
jezero,
calm.
ki je
There's
popolnoma
no
mirno
ruffles of
in ni
of the water, but
razburkane
it's
vode,
completely calm.
ampak je
That is the
popolnoma
rest. That
mirno.
is the
To je
peace
počitek.
that we have when we
In
know
mir, ki ga
God
imamo,
loves
ko
us
vemo,
and
da
He's
nas Bog
working
ljubi
on it,
in da
and we
On
can just
deluje.
relax.
In se lahko
Sometimes when I
sprostimo.
order something online,
Včasih nekaj
I'll do
naročim
all this
online,
research. I'll look at
naredim
all these different
raziskavo,
websites, trying to
pogledam
find
vse
the best
spletne
product
strani,
at
da
the
bi
best
najdel
price,
najboljši
the best place to
produkt,
purchase.
Thank you for
najboljšo
bringing
ceno.
us a nice
Ej, hvala, da
microphone.
si
Oh,
nam je za
glad we
mikrofon
could
prinesel.
We could do
That's
that.
good.
Ja,
I'm glad that
to
we
nam
could
je
bring it. It
uspelo,
was a good price
da smo lahko
in the
prinesli
States.
za
Ja,
dobro
ja.
ceno iz Amerike.
When I purchase something
In ko nekaj
online,
kupim
I'm
online,
doing all this work and effort,
Delamo
but
vso to
once I've
delo.
made the purchase,
ampak ko zaključim nakup,
rest.
potem
And I
počivam
wait for it
in
to show up.
čakam, da se to
Then you get
prikaže.
nervous. When is it
In
gonna
potem si
come?
živčen, kdaj bo prišlo.
That's true.
Ja,
It
to je
is
res.
true, because the
Ja,
devil will
ker
keep
hudič
challenging
te bo
you and
izzval
say,
in ti
when
bo
is the
rekel,
manifestation
ja,
going to
Yeah,
come?
where's
Kje je
the
tvoja
mic? Where's
manifestacija?
this?
Ja,
Where's
kje je tvoj
And you,
mikrofon?
that's the rest time.
To je čas
The purchase
počitka.
has been made, and now you're in
Nakup
this
je
place
opravljen
of waiting
in zdaj
for the
čakaš na
manifestation.
manifestacijo.
There's a tendency as human
In
beings
kot ljudje
to try to
imamo
do
naravnanost, da
something
probamo
more.
še nekaj
I mean,
več narediti.
You can call the company and say, "Are you gonna
Pokličeš
ship-
firmo, ja,
when's it gonna-
kaj
when-
zdaj,
when-
kje je
when?"
moj
You know, and you
ključ?
go
Daj bo,
online
daj
and
bo.
you start sending emails.
In greš
Come on,
online,
send it sooner,
pošiljaš
send it sooner.
email.
Where
Dajte
is it?
pohiteti,
You know,
dajte to,
and then you
dajte.
try to get a hold of the trucking
In pol
company.
hočeš
And
une,
you
ki
say,
vozijo
when's it going to
poklicati.
show up?
Kdaj
You know,
boste
can you put it
pripeljali?
on a faster truck?
A lahko greste s
Yeah,
hitrejšim
and
kamionom.
we try to do things to get them.
In
I'll pay more.
Še več
You
ti
know,
bom
I'll do
plačal,
something
še
to
nekaj
get it
bom
here
naredil,
faster.
samo da prej dobim.
But that's not the way the promises of
Ampak
God work.
Božje obljube
They've
ne
already
delujejo
been
tako.
purchased.
So že
And
bile
now we
plačane
need to be in that place
in
where
zdaj moramo
we're
biti na
believing
položaju,
they're
kjer
actually
verujemo,
gonna show up.
da se
When
bojo
you say that they've
prikazale.
already been purchased,
Ko
you
praviš,
mean
da so
that
bili že
Jesus'
plačani,
work on the cross,
to
when he
pomeni, da
died,
Jezus, ko je on
was
umrl na
buried,
križu, ko je bil
resurrected,
pokopan in
and
vstal od
ascended,
mrtvih,
and he brought the Holy
je
Ghost.
on
That's
izlil
how
svetega
all of
duha.
those promises of God
Vse te
came to
Božje
us
obljube so na
through
ta način
Jesus.
prišle
That's
do
where
nas,
love
v
poured
Jezusu.
out salvation.
Yeah.
Ljubezen
The
je
reason why
izlila
we have
odrešenje.
healing,
Razlog, zakaj imamo
forgiveness,
ozdravljenje,
blessings of every
odpuščanje,
kind is
vse
because of what
blagoslove,
Jesus did on the
je
cross.
zato, ker je Jezus naredil na križu.
Yes.
A to je vse v prvem koraku. Ja. A zdaj razumemo, ljubezen
It was
je že to
yeah,
izlila
and you can't skip the fact
in
that
ne
it was
moreš
love that did it.
preskočiti tega dejstva,
Because
da
if
je
you
to
don't
ljubezen
understand that
storila.
God
Ker
is
če ne
loving
razumeš, da te
that
Bog
God is
ljubi,
demonstrating
da je
his
On
love,
prikazal svojo ljubezen,
then you'll try to earn.
potem boš sam
It's
poizkušal
all, love
zaslužiti
is
njegovo
always a
ljubezen.
free gift.
Ljubezen je vedno brezplačen dar. Ker če hočeš to zaslužiti, je to lahko
That is
nelegalno.
true.
It's not
To
free
je-
love.
Potem to
You
ni
know,
prav
when
ljubezen.
when a person is praying,
Ko
they're
oseba
asking
moli,
God to do something that they
prosi
can't
Boga,
do
da nekaj
themselves.
stori, kar on
And so
sam ne
they're
more
asking
storiti.
for a gift.
Torej prosimo ga za
And then
dar.
what happens is they
In
try
kaj se
to
zgodi,
earn
ko
that
hočeš
gift when
zaslužiti
they're
ta
asking
dar,
for it to be a gift. And
pol
it doesn't work.
to
It
ne
causes a
deluje, ker je
conflict.
to konflikt. Ne
In
moreš
1
zaslužiti
Peter
daru.
5,
1. Petrovo
5, it
5.5
says,
pravi,
God gives grace
Bog
to
se
the humble,
prevzetnim upira,
but
ponižnim
resists
pa
the
daje
proud. God
milost.
resists the proud, but
Bog
gives
se
grace to
upira
the humble. And
ponosnim.
so when you pride comes as a
Ponos
result of
pride
works.
kot rezultat
I've
dela.
earned it.
Zaslužil sem si.
So
To je
that-
naslednji korak. Dela in ponos v tvoji
Yeah,
sliki.
works and pride cut off the grace
Ponos
of
in
God.
dela odrežejo
So the
Božjo
grace of
milost.
God is when
Božja
God is
milost je,
making His love
ko
a
Bog
reality
stori
in your life.
svojo
When you
ljubezen realno
actually
v
see
tvojem
healing in
življenju.
your body,
Ko vidimo
that's
zdravljenje v svojem telesu.
the
Veš
grace of
enkrat,
God is
Božja
when God
milost
makes His love
naredi
a
Božjo
reality in your
ljubezen
life.
realno v
So
tvojem
healing
življenju.
is an act of love.
Ozdravljenje
We
je
receive
dejanje
healing because
ljubezni.
He loved us. He
Sprejmemo
went to the
zdravljenje, ker
cross
nas on
for us.
ljubi.
He
Šel
bore
je na
stripes
križ za
for
nas,
us.
vzel je
This is
rane
an act
za
of
nas.
love.
To je
And when we
dejanje
see that
ljubezni. In ko
love
to vidimo,
manifested in our life,
manifestacija
that
Božje
is
ljubezni v
grace
naših
because it
življenjih
comes
je
as
to
a gift
milost,
to us.
ker pride kot dar do nas.
Can you say it again? Grace?
Grace
Prav, če
is
še
when
enkrat
God's
poveš,
love
milost je,
becomes
ko Božja
real
ljubezen
in your life.
postane realna
When
v
you
tvojem
actually
življenju.
experience healing, when you
In-
actually
in
experience
doživiš
salvation, when you
odrešenje,
actually
doživiš
experience a
ozdravljenje,
blessing, a
doživiš
prosperity,
blagoslov,
something like that,
prosperiteto,
when we see
karkoli
God's love
takega.
really
Ko
working in our
vidiš
life.
Božjo ljubezen,
The
ki
only way you
deluje.
can receive
Edini način,
the
kako to
love of
sprejmeš,
God, the
kako
grace of
sprejmeš
God
Božjo
actually
ljubezen, Božjo
becoming
milost,
real
da
is
postane
by
realna,
faith.
je po veri.
and faith
Vera
requires that you not
zahteva,
earn it.
da tega ne
See,
zaslužiš.
pride
You're
causes.
in your fourth step now.
Se pravi, zdaj si že v
Well, I'm going to
četrtem
go back
koraku.
to the
Vera.
third step.
Ja, šel bom
Pride
še v
and
tretji korak.
works.
Ve,
Because
dela in
you want
ponos.
it to come by
Hočeš,
grace.
da pride
If
po
it's
milosti.
God doing it,
Če
He's
Bog
going to
nekaj
do it
dela,
with His power
bo
and
z
His
njegovo
ability.
močjo in z
If
njegovo
it's you
zmožnostjo.
doing
Če
it,
ti delaš,
you're very
si
limited.
zelo omejen.
You can only do what you're
Lahko
able to
narediš
do.
samo to, kar lahko narediš.
This works.
Torej,
Yeah.
tukaj pride
So
do
we,
teh
what we
del.
want is
Prav,
God
kar
and His
želimo je,
ability
da
and
Bog in
His
njegova
power
zmožnost
working
in
in
njegova
our
moč
lives.
deluje v
Because
nas.
when we let Him do
Ker
it,
ko njemu dovolimo,
there's
da
much more
deluje, je
power, much
veliko
more
več moči
available to accomplish
dostopne,
what we're
da
asking to
izvrši
be
to, kar ga prosimo, da izvrši.
So, but when we try to earn it,
Ampak
when we
ko
try to do
hočemo
it
to
ourselves,
zaslužiti
we
in
cut
sami
off
narediti,
God's ability to be able
odrežemo
to do it,
Božjo
because it's no
zmožnost, da
longer
bi
a
to
gift
naredil.
to us.
In to ni
If we
več
start
dar za
trying to
nas.
earn it, then it's according
Ker
to
ko
what we're
hočemo
able to earn.
zaslužiti, je glede na to, kar lahko sami naredimo. Mislim, da doskrat hočemo zaslužiti
You know, it,
z dobro molitvijo, svetimi stvarmi.
and then you could
Potem
get some results.
lahko dobimo nekaj
but also
rezultatov,
not get.
ampak lahko pa
I had
tudi ne
someone
dobimo.
contact me by email.
Nekdo mi je
and
poslal mail
They said that they saw
in je
this
rekel, da je videl
teaching,
to učenje,
and they realized that
in
they
se je
had been
zavedal,
in works.
da je
That they
bil
had
v
been
delih.
doing it themselves.
Sam
They had been
hoče to
diagnosed with
narediti.
cancer.
Imel je diagnozo
and
raka,
They had chemotherapy.
Imel
and
kemoterapijo.
They had, surgery on several things,
In
and they weren't getting the
razne
results that they needed to
operacije
happen.
in ni imel
Earlier
rezultata,
this year, they spent
kakršnega je
nearly
želel.
90 days in the hospital
90 dni je
just
bil
trying
v
to get
bolnici,
wounds to heal from
samo
all
da
of the
bo se
surgeries and
rane
different
ozdravil
things
od
that they
vseh
had. And when they saw
operacij.
this, they
In ko je videl
realized that
tole,
they were trying to
je
get
videl,
the
da je
healing
začel, da
themselves.
je želel
They
sam
were spending time in the
zaslužiti
Word.
ozdravljenje.
They were praying.
Preživljal je čas
They were
v besedi,
confessing.
molil
They were
je,
doing
izpovedoval
everything
je.
that we would teach
Vse je
people
delal,
to
kar
do.
učimo
But
ljudi,
they
da
were
naj
doing
delajo,
it
ampak
out of
vse
their
je
own
delal iz
effort,
svojih
rather
naporov,
than receiving it
namesto da bi
as if
sprejel,
Jesus had done it for
kot
them.
da je to Jezus
And
že
so they
storil
were
za.
working at it.
Se pravi,
They were
deloval je
striving
na
for
tem.
it. Lord, I don't
Boril
get
se je
it.
s tem.
I've done everything
Rekel je,
I'm
Bog,
supposed
vse
to
sem
do.
naredil, kar bi moral
I've done
narediti.
everything.
Jaz sem delal
So
vse.
this is where you need revelation.
Se
of
pravi, tukaj
grace.
rabiš razodetje
That's right.
milosti.
When you faith is actually
Vera
when you
je,
see
ko
that God
vidiš, da
has
ti je
given it
Bog
to
to
you.
že dal.
And it doesn't come by your head, it
Ne
comes by
pride
your
po tvoji
heart.
glavi,
You
ampak
go,
po tvojem
oh
srcu.
wow, I see it.
Wow, vidim
The
zdaj.
light comes on and
Luč
you
je
go,
požgala.
God has
In
actually
rečeš,
given me
Bog mi je
healing.
že dal
And
zdravljenje.
you believe that it's already
In
done.
verjameš, da je to
In
že
his
narejeno.
case, he finally got
In v njegovem primeru,
the revelation
on je dobil
that he was
razodetje,
healed,
da je že ozdravljen.
and he received a couple more cancer treatments,
In
and within weeks,
v
his
nekih
numbers
tednih
went from
so šli njegove številke iz
960 to 60,
960 do 60.
just dropped within
Tako
2
hitro je
weeks.
padlo v
And
2
they said
tednih.
that never
In
happens
so
when a
rekli, da se
person's
to
receiving
nikoli ne
cancer
zgodi,
treatment.
ko ima
And then
človek
they told him
tretma
all
za
of his
raka.
wounds that he was having trouble
In
getting
vse
healed
te rane,
would never heal during
se
this.
niso
And now
ozdravile,
the doctor announced,
je
told him, you
zdravnik
don't need to
rekel,
come back
ni se ti
for
treba
wound
več
care. They're all
vračati za
completely healed.
zdravljenje ran, vse je
They took him off
ozdravljeno.
of pain medicine,
In
he's able to
so mu
drive,
vzeli
and
tudi, ni
everything
več
changed
rabil
in his
zdravil
life. And he
in
started
protibolečinskih
receiving
zdravil.
healing when he
In
stopped
začel
working
je
at it
sprejemati
and started
ozdravljenje, ko se je
receiving it
nehal
by faith.
truditi in je
Some
sprejel
people
po
think that
veri.
if you're working
In
at
ljudje
it, that
mislijo, da
you're
če
helping
delajo
the
na tem in se
situation, but
trudijo,
you're actually
pomagajo v
hindering
situacijah,
it.
v bistvu
If you
zavirajo.
trust,
Ker
let
če
God do it,
zaupaš
put
in
your
dovoliš
trust in
Bogu,
Him,
da
let
to
Him do it,
deluje, Ne?
then you're not working at it,
potem se ne trudiš
and
sam
there's more being accomplished.
in se veliko več
If
zgodi.
I had a light bulb, a
Če
lamp,
bi,
and
če
I put
bi
the light
imel
bulb in it,
svetilko in bi dal
when the
noter
light made
žarnico,
contact with the
ko,
power, it would come
ko
on.
žarnica
But
vzpostavi
if I
kontakt, se
put
prižge.
a rubber
Če
washer
pa dam
in
vmes
the bottom
neko
of that
gumo
lamp and screwed it in the
noter
lamp,
in hočem
nothing
to
would happen.
zašrafati, se
And
nič
that's
ne bo
what our
zgodilo.
works do
In to naredijo
for the
naša
grace of
dela,
God.
Božji
They cut
milosti.
off the power
Prekinajo
that's supposed to be
moč,
flowing.
ki bi
It
mogla
creates a
delovati
resistance.
in
God
ustvarijo
resists
upor.
the proud.
Bog se
So
upira
grace won't
ponosu,
flow when
zato
you're trying to
milost
do
ne
it
more
yourself.
teči,
But
ko
when you
sam
realize
hočeš
that
to
it's already
narediti.
done,
Ko se pa
and
zavedaš,
get
da je
this
že
revelation,
narejeno in dobiš
you
razodetje,
move from
se premakneš
wanting it to
iz tega,
happen
da želiš,
to
da se
believing
to
it's already
zgodi,
happened.
do
That's
vere,
what
da se je
faith
že
is.
zgodilo.
Faith
To je vera.
believes
Vera
that
veruje,
it's already been
da je
done.
že storjeno.
So you have some scissors. What are
In imaš tam le ene škarje, a lahko ti te škarje
So once you
razložiš.
get a revelation
Ko dobiš
that it's by
razodetje,
faith,
da je po
the
veri,
devil will try to stop you.
bo hudič
And
te
he
želel
will
ustaviti
remind you
in
of all of
spomnil
your
te bo
past.
vse tvoje preteklosti.
Condemnation will come up, and
Obsodba bo prišla
condemnation
in
is when you feel like
obsodba je,
this
ko
is my
čutiš,
sentence.
to je,
I've done
jaz sem si
wrong,
zaslužil
I deserve
kazen.
the punishment.
In zdaj,
This
ker
is
sem
what I
delal
deserve.
narobe,
This
to je
is
moja
what I
kazen.
have
To
to
sem si
endure
zaslužil,
because
to
I
moram
was the one that made the
pretrpeti,
mistake.
ker sem jaz
That's
sam naredil
condemnation.
napako. To je obsodba.
Guilt is when you
Krivda
you
pride,
feel bad
ko se počutiš
about what you
slabo
have done.
glede tega,
Maybe
kar
you
si
don't
storil.
deserve the punishment,
Mogoče
but
si
you
ne
just
zaslužiš
feel
kazni, ampak
like you
čutiš,
don't deserve
da si
to
ne
receive
zaslužiš
anything better.
sprejeti nič
And
boljšega.
then shame is
In
when you
sram
feel like you're the bad
pride,
person.
ko misliš, da si ti
You're
slab
the one
človek,
that was wrong. You're
da
the
ti
one that
nisi imel
can
prav,
never
da
earn God's
si ti
favor
nikoli ne
again.
moreš zaslužiti
And
spet
so the
Božje
devil will
naklonjenosti.
use
In hudič
condemnation,
bo
guilt,
uporabil
and
obsodbo,
shame
krivdo in
to try
sram,
to keep your
da bi,
faith
da
from
bi
working.
držal tvojo vero stran od delovanja.
That's
To so
correct. They
hudičeve
will cut
škarje.
off
Ja,
your faith.
hudič uporablja škarje, da bi odrezal tvojo vero.
well, that's interesting.
But faith,
Zanimivo, ampak
once you're in
vera,
faith,
ko si
you
v
enter into
veri,
this joy,
vstopiš
this
v
peace,
radost
and you
in v
enter
mir.
into a rest. And
In
that's
tako
when you're
priješ v
actually going to see the
počitek in takrat boš
manifestation of
videl
the promises,
manifestacije
is once
Božjih
you enter
obljub,
into the
ko si
rest.
vstopil v Božji mir. Zanimivo je, da
that
škarje
condemnation,
in
the only way to
obsodbe,
get rid of
edini
that
način, da se tega
and the guilt
rešiš,
feelings is
teh
to know
občutkov
you're
krivde,
righteous
je,
through
da
the
veš,
blood
da
of
si
Jesus.
pravičen po krvi
And you're
Jezusa.
righteous by faith,
Da si
not by
pravičen
anything
po
you've
veri,
done,
ne po tem,
by
kar si
faith
naredil,
alone,
ampak samo
you're
po veri.
righteous. And when you know that
In ko
Jesus
veš,
became sin,
da je Jezus
and then
postal
we became
greh,
righteous
da
by
smo
his
mi
blood,
postali pravični
it
po njegovi
gives you
krvi,
such peace.
to
And
ti
that's
da
what you're
takšen
talking
mir
about, the
in o
peace
tem
and the
govoriš.
rest.
Mir,
You
počitek,
just feel so at peace
ker se
inside.
počutiš
There's
toliko
no
v
more
miru v
war
sebi
going on.
in ni več te vojne.
Am I praying
In
the
ta
right
gospa me je
way
vprašala, jaz molim
against
pravilno
my tumor?
proti svojemu
And she
tumorju.
was so excited. I said, I
In
love
je
your
bila
video.
navdušena nad
You know,
našim
really
videom.
believe tumor will go
Rekla,
away,
verjamem,
you
da
know.
bo tumor šel stran.
And she's from another part of the country.
Ona je iz drugega dela
And,
dežele.
You know, a lot of people call me and ask me, you
In
know, am I
dostakrat
doing
me
this
ljudje
right? Am I
kličejo,
doing
a
this
delam
right,
to
that
prav,
right?
a je tisto
And I
prav,
would
kar
say,
delam.
you know, maybe watch
In
Dance Sunday
moram reči, ej,
evening
poglej,
message on our channel.
pridi go z nedelje zvečer, ko je Dejan govoril o tem,
Explaining more in depth
ko
this
bolj
whole
globoko
subject.
razloži to
And
temo.
Of course, you can still come. We will lay
Seveda,
hands
lahko
on you,
priješ in
but
bomo molili za
we are
te.
not always with you. And
Ampak
Jesus
mi
is
nismo
always with
vedno
you.
s
This
tabo, ampak
principle
Jezus je vedno s tabo.
of God's
In
love
to načelo
is
Božje
where it all
ljubezni
starts.
je, kjer se
So-
vse začne.
And I said to this lady, you know,
In rekel
you
sem
can
te
pray
dami,
wrong and get
lahko
healed.
moliš narobe
You can
in
pray
si
right
uzdravljen,
and not
lahko
get healed.
moliš prav in
If
nisi
you don't
uzdravljen.
understand it,
Če
that
ne
Jesus
razumeš,
loves you.
da te Jezus
That's
ljubi,
right.
That Jesus really loves you and
da
it's
te
not
Jezus ljubi
and it's your will that you
in to ni njegova volja, da
you
si
develop
v bolezni,
relationship
ampak da
with
si v
Jesus.
zdravljenju. In ko razviješ
That's
odnos z
why
Jezusom,
every problem you have
zato vsak
can
problem,
make you
ki ga
more
imaš,
in love with Jesus,
te lahko
because
pripelje
you
v
develop
večjo ljubezen do
kind of
Jezusa,
forcing you
ker
to
te
rethink
prisili,
your
da
life
še enkrat
and-
razmisliš o
and
svojem
develop
življenju
more intimate
in
relationship
razvijaš
with
bolj
Jesus.
globok odnos
Yeah,
z
I would
Jezusom.
encourage everybody to watch it,
To
you
bi
know.
rad vse
Go
ohrabril,
through
ki to
some things
gledate.
about God's love. You can listen to them.
Poslušajte učenja na sprem.si, tv.sprem.si in
Let me ask you then,
učenja od
so
Ene Veronike in
so
ostale
like a
na
person-
podcastih.
let's say is listening to the show,
Če oseba posluša ta
let's
šov
say tumor is still there,
in ima še vedno tumor
they start to understand God's
in
love,
začenja
but they
razumevati
still battle,
Božjo
you
ljubezen,
know,
ampak
with
še vedno
fear.
se
They're
bori
not
s
sure,
strahom
did I get it, did I not get it?
in ni sigurno,
You know, how
a
do you
sem to
know,
že
like-
prejel ali nisem. Kako
And
veš?
Did I receive this and can I
Ali
act
sem
now?
to že sprejel
So the
ali
answer is
lahko
gonna be
počujem?
in the
Odgovor
revelation
je
of
v
grace.
razodetju milosti.
You've got to continue
Moraš
in the Word of
nadaljevati v
God
Božji besedi
and learn the Word of God
in se
and allow the
učiti
Holy
Božjo
Spirit to
besedo in
speak to
dovoliti
your
Svetemu
heart
Duhu, da govori na
and
tvoje
show
srce.
you
In
that
ti
yes,
pokazati,
this
da
is really
to
God's
je res
desire for
Božja
you.
volja
He has
za
already
tvoje
healed you.
življenje. On te je že
If you're
ozdravil.
not in that place
Če
yet,
še nisi na tem
I would
položaju,
continue to talk to God and
še
say,
naprej govori
Lord,
z
show
Bogom
me,
in reči,
make it
Bog,
alive to
pokaži
me.
mi, naredi
that
mi to živo.
Your desire is for me
Da
to
je
be
tvoja
completely
želja
healed
zame,
of
da
this.
sem
Now, I know
popolnoma
that in my
ozdravljen
head,
tega.
but I
Ve
need to
to v
know that
svoji
in my
glavi,
heart.
ampak moram vedeti v
Show
svojem
me in
srcu.
your word. Show me
Pokaži mi v
in my
svoji
heart
besedi.
that
Pokaži
this
mi
is
v mojem
really
srcu,
what belongs to
da je to
me.
res to, kar mi
And once a
pripada.
person gets a revelation of
Ko
it,
oseba
that's when
dobi
everything
razodetje
starts
tega,
to
potem
change.
se vse začne spreminjati.
So to get this
Se
revelation,
pravi, da bi pa dobil to razodetje,
It comes by meditating on
pride
the
po
word. You
meditiranju
find
Božje
scriptures and you say,
besede.
you
To
know
se
what?
zgodi tako, da najdeš
God's promise
Božjo besedo in
says
rečeš, lej,
Yeah.
Božja
by his
obljuba
stripes
pravi,
I
po
was
njegovih ranah sem bil
Now I can say
ozdravljen.
that with my head
Jaz
a
to lahko
thousand
rečem
times,
tisočkrat
but
v
then
svoji
there comes
glavi,
this
ampak
one
potem
moment
pride
in
en
time where I
trenutek,
go,
ko rečem, aha,
God said,
Bog
I'm
je
not
rekel,
the sick
da
trying to
nisem
get
več
healed, I'm
bolnik,
the
ko
healed
hočem
and the
biti
devil's trying
ozdravljen.
to steal
Jaz
it
sem
from me.
ozdravljen, ampak hudič mi hoče to
And suddenly
ukrasti.
you realize
In enkrat
where
se
you're no
zavedaš,
longer thinking in your
Da
head,
več
it's
ne
coming out
razmišljaš
of you.
samo to v
It's
glavi,
like
ampak to
learning
pride
a
ven iz tebe.
language.
Kot
And
da
when
bi
you
se
start to
naučil
learn a foreign
novega
language,
jezika.
it's all in your
Ko se
head and
učiš
you're
tuji jezik,
processing
vse v tvoji
everything
glavi.
back and forth.
Vse
But then
procesiraš
suddenly,
gor in dol.
one day at
In
some
pol
point,
naenkrat nekega dneva
you start to think in that language.
Začneš
You start to
razmišljati
dream
v tem
in that
jeziku.
language.
Sanjati
Everything
v tem
switches
jeziku.
over for you.
Vse
And you
se
can use
obrne
this
okoli
second
in
language.
lahko
That's the
uporabiš
way it
to
is
kot
with
drug jezik.
Revelation. Suddenly
In
it
tako je
becomes
z
alive
razodetjem.
and
Naenkrat
you don't
postane
think
živo.
any other way.
In ne
You don't
razmišljaš
think,
več na drug
how do I
način.
get
Ne
healed?
razmišljaš,
I am
kako
healed. What are you
lahko
talking about?
postanem
How do I
zdrav.
get healed?
Jaz
I
sem
am the
ozdravljen. Kaj
healed.
govoriš,
So
naj
if
bom
you're
ozdravljen?
thinking,
Jaz sem
how
že.
to get you,
Se
then
pravi,
you
če razmišljaš,
Not yet.
kako ne bom ozdravljen, pol še nisi
that's
zdrav.
okay.
Ja, nisi
That
še.
just means
In
you
to je
have
okej.
to keep
Ampak
you
to
keep
pomeni, da
listening
moraš
to the
še
voice of
naprej
the Holy Ghost and you
poslušati
keep
glas
reading
Svetega
the Word
Duha.
until
Ber
that becomes
besedo,
alive
dokler ti to ne
in you.
postane živo v tebi.
So will this work like for somebody who is
A bo to
healthy,
delovalo
but
za nekoga, recimo, ki ima že ozdravljenje, ampak bi rad druge
Yeah,
stvari
people are
slišal od
unanswered
Boga.
prayers?
praying for their
Ima stvari, ki jih
family,
še ni
people are
sprejel.
praying for a new
Recimo, ja,
job.
ljudje molijo za novo službo, molijo za svojo
In
družino.
other circumstances,
in druge
you have to
okoliščine.
realize that people are
Moraš se
involved.
zavedati, da
When
nekje
it
so
comes to
vključeni ljudje,
prosperity,
ko
God's
govorimo o
not going to put money on a
prosperiteti.
tree.
Bog ne bo dal
He's going to
denar
use
na
other
drevo,
people
uporabil bo
to to
druge
bless
ljudi,
you.
da bi te
And
blagoslovil.
He's going to give those other people
In tem
enough
drugim ljudem bo
time
dal
to
dovolj
respond to his
časa,
desire. So
da
it
se
may not be your
odgovorijo na
fault.
njegove želje. Torej,
You
ni
just need to
nujno,
be
da je tvoja
patient
krivda.
and wait for God to
Včasih
move on
moraš
these
biti
other people and for them
potrpežljiv
to
in
respond.
počakati, da Bog
But
deluje
when it
tudi na
comes
druge
to
ljudi.
different things,
Da odgovorijo.
you can get a revelation as
Lahko
well,
dobiš
but then you
razodetje
rest.
in potem
Rest doesn't
počivaš.
mean stopping what you're
Počitek
doing,
ne pomeni, da
because the
nehaš
devil's going to try to
delati,
steal your faith.
hudič ti bo hotel
And so
ukrasti
praying
vero,
in tongues,
zato ti še
speaking
naprej
the
mol
word,
v
reading the
jezikih,
word,
govor besedo, beri
giving
besedo,
thanks, saying,
zahvaljuj se,
Lord, thank you,
reč, hvala ti,
thank you
Gospod,
that I have the answer to
da
my
imam
prayer.
odgovor na svojo
One
molitev.
time, I had a lot of things going on in my
Enkrat
life,
se mi
and I
veliko
wrote down
stvari
all my
dogajalo
questions on
in
a
sem
piece of
vsa
paper.
vprašanja
I
napisal na
had
list
nearly
papirja
20
in sem imel
questions,
skoraj
very
20
simple. I
vprašanj.
kept them real short, put them
Zelo
on a piece of
enostavno,
paper,
dal sem
and
jih
I
na
began to
papir
thank God that I had the
in sem
answer
se
to each
začel
one of those
zahvaljevati
questions.
Bogu, da imam že odgovor na vsa ta vprašanja.
I had just met Veronica,
In
and I was saying, Lord,
ravno
is she
sem
going to be my
srečal
wife?
Veroniko in sem ga
What town should I
napisal,
live in?
ali je ona
What
moja
job should I
žena,
have? When
kje
am
naj
I going
stanujem,
into ministry?
kje bom živel,
What
kdaj
school
bom
should I
šel v
go
Božjo
to?
službo.
This,
Wow.
and so I
Katero
started
šolo naj
asking.
grem?
Slovenia, many people call like
Veliko ljudi kliče vedeževalce in jim plačujejo in jih to sprašujejo. In svetopisom pravi, da je to kot čarovništvo, je proti Bogu. Ampak lahko pa namesto, da kličeš razne
Right,
telefonske
I wrote down all of my
številke,
questions,
sam napišeš
and then I just
vprašanje.
began to thank God
Ja.
for the answer. I said,
In
thank
potem
you,
se
Lord, that you're going to
zahvališ
show me
Bogu
where
za
to live.
odgovor. Hvala Bogu,
Thank
da
you,
mi
Lord,
boš
that you're going to show me which
pokazal,
school to
kje
go
naj
to.
živim,
Thank
katero
you,
šolo
Lord,
naj
that you're going to
grem,
show me
da mi boš
who my
pokazal,
wife is going to
kdo
be.
bo moja žena.
And as soon as I did
In
that,
takoj, ko sem
I
to
felt this
naredil,
peace.
sem čutil ta
Just
mir,
coming to
ki je prišel v mene. Dajmo čas ljudem, pejte si po papir, pejte si nekaj, da si napišete, napiši vprašanje za Boga. Nekaj
used to
Bog
carry
da
it
odgovor. Lahko na koncu še molimo za vse te stvari.
So I used to carry that
Jaz sem to
around.
nosil v Svetem pismu,
Actually, I did
pa
not.
si pol napisal
Because
odgovor,
once
kdaj
I
si kaj
gave
dobil.
the problem
Ne,
over to
ker
God,
ko sem dal
it
problem
was
Bogu,
interesting. What was really intriguing
kar je
about
bilo
this is
zanimivo
once I
je,
wrote
ko sem
everything
napisal
down,
vse,
it looked a lot
je
smaller
bilo
on
dosti
paper
manjše na
than
papirju,
it did in my
kot je
head.
bilo v moji glavi.
Oh man,
Prej
it was
si bil
like carrying
poln
around a
problemov,
huge
bremen,
backpack, you
kot da
know.
bi imel velik kruzer.
Yeah.
Bremena
But once I
vsega
put it on
sveta.
paper,
Ko sem pa
it was a
napisal na
lot
papir, je
smaller.
bilo dosti
And it's just
manjše.
one sheet of paper, you know,
Samo
all
en
my
list
problems.
papirja, vsi moji problemi. In tukaj
Yes.
zraven tebe sedi odgovor
Yeah,
na
and right
ta
after
seznam.
that, the Lord gave, I
takoj
sat down and I
potem
said,
sem
Lord, what is
sedel
my
in
wife
Bog mi
going to
rekel,
look like?
In sem
And I
rekel, Gospod,
actually
kako bo
wrote
moja
down
žena izgledala?
everything.
In sem napisal,
And I made a list
sem
of what I
naredil cel
wanted in a
seznam,
wife.
kaj želim v ženi. A to
These
so
were my
tvoje želje.
desires.
Ja, to so bile moje želje.
Yeah.
Rodrigo, lahko tole posnamaš.
Can you zoom into this? This is
Lahko zoomiramo v to.
It was pretty much a picture of me.
To je bila
Even though I
res
was
slika mene.
saying these are my desires, it was
Čeprav
almost
sem
as if the
govoril,
Lord
to
was
so moje
writing
želje,
down
je
a
bilo kot da bi mi
picture
Bog
of
to
her as
slikal
I
sliko
wrote
nje,
this
ko
down.
sem, medtem ko sem
And so
to
I began to
pisal.
write down what I wanted in a
In
wife.
ko sem pisal, kaj želim v
And you can see
ženi,
that I had one of them
Lahko
I marked
vidiš, da
off
imam
because
eno
I had
tukaj,
written a height and she was
ki
about this
sem,
much shorter
ki
than
sem
what I
jo
had written.
prečrtal, ker je
Yeah,
bila
but with
toliko
my church
manjša,
shoes on.
kar sem napisal, ampak ko imam pa petke, sem pa
Yes.
toliko večja, ampak če bi
I'm
bila
glad
tako
she's
velika,
a
bi
little
mogel
bit
še
shorter.
ti zrast,
Which is
ker bi
great.
bila večja od tebe. Ja, torej ti je Bog
Yes.
dal še boljš,
And I
kot
was
sem si
very
prosil.
specific.
Ja, in bil sem
You
zelo
know, on what I
specifičen.
wanted. I had, I think I have hair color,
In
size,
tukaj imam
even
barvo
weight.
las,
You know,
velikost,
and
celo
Yeah,
težo, to je pa
Age.
kar nevarno. Zdaj vidim, zakaj se ne moreš zarediti.
so I wrote I wrote can play piano,
Napisal sem, da lahko
which
igra
you know she's
klavir.
been playing almost
In
all her
ona
life.
igra klavir. Zdaj imaš za ston koncert vsak
So
dan.
this list was actually a
Ta
picture
seznam je
of
slika,
God was showing me a
Ker mi je
picture of
Bog
what she would
pokazal
look like
sliko, kako
by
bo ona
me writing
izgledala.
down my desires.
medtem
He
ko
was
sem
putting
pisal
those
želje,
desires
je
in
on
me
dal te
to
želje
write down.
vame, da to napišem. Kot psalm 37:4 pravi, razveseluj se v Gospodu in ti bo dal želje srca.
is a bit
In
hard to understand.
to je
what
težko
he means.
razumeti,
Could
kaj
it translate
točno je
either way?
misel. Ja, lahko
Are
na
you
bilo kjer
giving me
način
desires,
razumemo, ali
and
mi
those
on daje
desires come
želje
from
in si
you,
te
or
želje
you're going to give me
izpolnijo,
what I desire?
ali mi bo
Ja,
dal
ja.
on
So it could go
svoje
either way.
želje v srce. Lahko je
But I
oboje.
think
Maybe
we're
it
working
means
together.
both. Maybe
Yeah.
it's-
Mislim, da to skupaj deluje.
So I wrote down what I wanted
So
in a
you feel
wife.
good about this, Veronica?
In
or you
Veronika,
feel
tebi
like,
to v
oh,
redu, ali
slave
se
trade, like,
počutiš, kot da si
guy just
en
writes
izdelek,
down
ki
and
ga je človek
now you're
napisal
like-
na papirju.
It's really nice to be the
Ne,
answer to
lepo je,
someone's
da sem
prayer.
odgovor na molitvo
So I wrote
nekega
this
človeka.
down, and I met her
Jaz sem to napisal in
3
sem jo
months later.
srečal 3 mesece kasneje.
Really? Wow, wow. So did he show you the list?
A ti je
No.
pokazal seznam?
No, so you
Ne.
didn't know.
He
A je
was
pol
checking
nisi
them off,
vedela?
though.
Ne, ampak si
At
pa
home.
delal
really?
krugce na seznamu.
Wow, Dan, you're
Kaj me
much
vidi.
smarter than
Ti
I
si
am.
pa dosti pametnejši od mene,
When I met my
Ko
wife,
sem jaz srečal svojo ženo,
I immediately saw her in
sem
a
jo
wedding
takoj videl v
dress,
poročni
in my vision.
obleki, sem imel vizijo.
Then first date I took
In
her out, I told
Na
her
prvem
this
zmenku
will be
sem
my
ji že
wife.
to povedal, da bo
Not
moja
very
žena.
wise,
To ni bilo najbolj pametno,
because, you know, how women are.
ker
they
seš,
don't
kako
like
so
to
ženske.
obey my vision.
Noče biti samo
Exactly.
poslušna moji viziji.
I think was a smart move then that you didn't show
In
this
to je
to
pametno, da ji
Veronica,
nisi takoj pokazal,
how she needs to look like. or
kako
what
mora
weight she
izgledati,
needs
ali
to have, or
katero
what-
težo
But I
bo
think
mogla
it did
imeti.
help confirm to you
Ampak,
that I'm supposed
ja,
to be your wife.
pomagalo mu
Yes.
je
Yeah,
potrditi,
no,
da
that's-
sem jaz
that's a
njegova
great
žena.
That's a
Ja,
great
to je
security
dobra
in
točka.
following
Yes.
Jesus.
To je dobra varnost,
He
ki
actually
sledimo
shows you.
Jezusu, da nam on
Because
pokaže.
you can think it's a good wife,
Ker lahko misliš, da je nekdo, neka oseba dobra žena,
but you don't know how
ampak
she
ti ne
will
veš,
be
kako
next
bo
year.
ta oseba drugo leto.
You know, so
And when God chooses
In ko
someone
Bog
and gives
izbere
them to you,
nekoga in ti
then
da,
that's perfect.
Pol je
That's
to
perfect.
popolno.
He's what I wanted in a husband too.
in tudi
We've
on
been
je
married for
točno to, kar sem
27
jaz
years
želela v
and we
možu.
still like each
27 let
other.
sva že
that's
poročena
very good.
in še vedno sva si všeč. To je
27
zelo
years.
dobro.
27
27 let,
when you were 10.
27 dobrih let. Zdaj sta pa stara 10 let. To je bil že vnaprej urejen zakon.
Okay, okay. So
Ne,
then,
24 let so
Veronica,
bila stara.
now let's pray
Den,
for
Veronika,
people.
dajmo malce
You
ljudi,
can look at the people in the
lahko
camera.
gledate ljudi v kamero.
And whatever is on your heart,
In karkoli je
like
na vajnem
somebody
srcu,
could be, you know, struggling,
Mogoče se kdo
find a
bori
husband or wife,
najti
somebody
moža, ženo,
you know, struggle to find
Mogoče
a better job.
nekdo
Sometimes
rab
people
dobro službo
hate
in mu
their
težko
jobs,
najde.
but they still
Eni ljudje
think
sovražijo svoje
they're
službe, ampak
bound to this job.
mislijo, da so
And
zvezani
God,
s to službo.
serving God, you know. But,
Da s
you
tem
know,
služijo
whatever is
Bogu.
on your heart, let's
Karkoli je na vajnem
let's believe
srcu,
today for people.
dajmo danes verjeti za ljudi, da se bo njihova življenja spremenila, da bodo prišli ven iz tega
Yes.
kroga, v manifestacijo
Yes.
božjih obljub za njihovo življenje, tako da bo to
Yes, we
svobodno in
do
modno.
pray that you will
Ja,
find
molimo,
what
da
you're looking
najdeš
for
to,
in the
kar
Word of
iščeš
God,
v
because
Božji
the Word of
besedi,
God covers
ker Božja
everything
beseda
you
bo
need.
pokrila vse
And when
tvoje
God
potrebe.
shows
In
you
ko ti
His
Bog
will,
pokaže svojo
then
voljo,
peace is going to come into
potem bo
your heart.
prišel
And
mir
so
v tvoje
we just
srce.
pray that right now.
Mi
The
molimo
peace
prav
of
zdaj,
God
da
will come
Božji mir
into your
pride v
life,
tvoje
into
življenje,
your heart,
v tvoje
where you've had
srce,
questions, where
da
you've
tam, kjer
had
si imel
struggles.
vprašanja, kjer si imel
Let the
bitke,
peace of
da
God
bo
permeate
Božji
right
mir
now into your heart.
prežel
Let
tvoje
the
življenje,
Spirit of
tvoje
God
srce,
come
da
and
pride
assure
Božji
you and
duh
give you
in
comfort
ti
right
da
now. And to
dobje
show
in
you
varnost,
the truth, because
da
the
ti
Spirit of
pokaže
God is the
resnico,
Spirit of truth, and
ker
He will
Božji duh je
guide
duh
you
resnice, ki te bo
into all the
vodil
truth. And
v
if
vso
you're not
resnico. In
sure,
če nisi
He will
siguren,
help you
ti
find
bo on
the truth
pomagal
in
najti
God's
resnico
Word.
v Božji besedi.
Oh, haleluja. Jaz molim za vsakega, haleluja, kdorkoli imaš tumor, let's pray against tumor.
Yes, yes,
Kdorkoli ima tumor danes.
yes. Thank you, Lord.
Oh, haleluja. Hvala ti, Jezus. Hvala za tvoje maziljenje zdaj, tvoja moč. Daj si roko na tisti del telesa, če lahko, kjer imaš tumor. Če je zraven še tvoj partner, kolega, kdorkoli, tvoj otrok, oče, naj še on položi roko na ta tumor. Oče, mi se zdaj strinjamo. We agree together.
Yes.
Mi se zdaj strinjamo, da se ta tumor posuši in odpade v imenu Jezusa. Kličemo manifestacijo Božjih obljub, haleluja. Po Božji ljubezni, ki je izlila odrešenje na križu za vsakega od nas. Govorimo, tumor, ti si preklet, odpad od te osebe zdaj, v imenu Jezusa. Posuš se in odpad v imenu Jezusa, haleluja.
Yes. And we speak against the spirit of
In govorimo
alcoholism that has gripped
proti
you.
duhu
We
alkoholizma.
command you to be free right now
Zapovedujemo, da
in
si
the name of
ozdravljen.
Jesus. Let
v imenu
deliverance
Jezusa, da
come
si
inside your
osvobojen.
heart right now. Be
Prav zdaj v svojem
loose from
srcu
that.
bo to osvobojen
In
od tega.
Jesus' name.
Hvala ti, Oče.
V Jezusovem imenu.
Thank you, Lord. You are the God who restores.
Hvala, Gospod, ti si Bog, ki
What the
obnavljaš.
devil has destroyed,
Karkoli
you
hudič
will
uničil,
bring
boš ti
restoration.
prinesel
And we claim
obnovitev.
that now by
Mi
your
to zdaj
Spirit.
zahtevamo po Božjem duhu.
We speak against the spirit of diabetes.
Govorimo proti
We
duhu
command that
diabetes.
spirit to loose
Naj
you now
naj
in
te
Jesus'
spusti
name.
zdaj v imenu
Be
Jezusa.
free from that.
Bodi
Blood
ozdravljen
sugar
od
be
tega.
made normal. Pancreas be made well.
Krvni
So
slad.
share something what God did for you. He can multiply in lives of others. So
To, kar si govoril, da je Bog delal v tebe in lahko multiplicira v življenjih drugih. Tako da a lahko še za druge moliš, ki iščejo življenjskega partnerja.
I pray
Jaz molim,
that you would know
da boš vedel,
that God is working for
da
you.
Bog deluje zate.
That God is moving on your behalf.
Bog deluje
You do not
zate.
have to try and
Da ti ni treba
strive, but
poizkušati
that
in se
God is going
boriti.
to guide you to the right place at the right time. And God is going to surprise you and give you great
Bog te bo
joy.
vodil. On ti bo dal veliko
God
radost.
has a
On te bo
plan for your
presenetil.
life.
On ima
He has a
načrt za tvoje
person
življenje.
to
On ima
connect you
osebo,
with.
s katero te bo
And I pray,
povezal.
God, I ask you to begin to connect these
Molim,
two
Bog,
together.
poveži te ljudi skupaj.
And I'm going to encourage you to pray for your future
In
spouse.
moli za svojega
Say, Lord, wherever they
bodočega
are,
zakonca.
I pray that
Gospod,
you
kjerkoli
would
je,
bring them
molim, da
into
ga
a deeper
pripelješ v
relationship
globjo
with you.
odnos s tabo,
That you would protect them
da ga
and
zaščitiš,
guide them
in
and
vodiš,
cause them to have
povzročiš,
great experiences
da imajo
with you.
velika doživetja s tabo.
You want a person who's in
Ti
love with
želiš
God.
osebo,
And
ki
I pray
ljubi
that
Boga.
that's what He will do in your
In
future
to bo storil
spouse's
v
life
tvojem
and in your
bodočem
life.
zakoncu in v tvojem življenju.
And Veronica, you shared
Hvala, Dem.
the testimony how after
Veronika, ti si
27
govorila, kako po 27
years,
letih
you say you
Yes.
still enjoy each other.
še
still
vedno
like each
uživate
other,
in
yes.
Still like.
sta si
That's
všeč.
even more than just love.
To je še boljš, kot sam, da se
And
ljubite,
do you
da
wanna
sta si
pray
tudi
for
všeč.
people who are already
Ali lahko
married,
moliš
but
za
they
ljudi, ki so že
maybe
poročeni
don't have this,
in
that they
mogoče
would also
nimajo
start
tega,
to like
da
each
tudi
other.
oni,
Yes, absolutely.
da so si
I
všeč.
pray that over you
Jaz
right
molim
now,
zdaj na tabo,
that your marriage
da bo
will
tvoj
flourish,
zakon
that you
cvetel,
will have joy
da boš
again,
imel spet
that it will
radost,
be better than it has ever
da bo
been
bolje kot
ever
kadarkoli prej,
before.
kadarkoli.
That God can do
Da
a
Bog
miracle in your
stori
marriage
čudež
if you
v
will
tvojem
put your
zakonu.
trust in Him. He
Samo
can
zaupaj vanj
totally
in on bo
transform your
popolnoma
marriage.
transformiral
And
tvoj
you will
zakon.
have the best friend
In
that
boš
you
imel
desire from
najboljšega
God.
prijatelja, ki si ga
Amen.
želiš od Boga.
Very good. Well, thanks.
Zelo
guys.
dobro,
It's great
hvala
to have
vama,
you.
dobro vaj bilo
That
imeti.
was- A ni bilo super spet z Denom in Veroniko. Lahko se pridružite našim srečanjem, imamo jih še vedno naprej za gosta. In kar je bilo, karkoli Bog naredil za Dena in Veroniko, lahko naredi zate. V bistvu je že naredil. In dajmo se naučiti sprejeti in hoditi z Bogom. In moš vedeti, Bog te ljubi brezpogojno. On je dal svojega sina zate, kako ti ne bi vse drugo milostno podaril. In če si karkoli sprejel v teh oddajah, karkoli gledaš na naših oddajah, zapomni si, Jezus te ljubi. On je vedno s tami. Uživajte še naprej, zdaj sem v Božji prisotnosti, se vidimo naslednji teden.